Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to add a digital product to Payhip. So to get started with this simple and easy guide on how you can add a digital product on Payhip. So the first thing to do is to log into your account. You can as well go to payhip.com using the browser to log in with your account using your account credentials. Then after that, go to product. So from your dashboard, click on product in the top menu. Then from there, you have to click add product. So then choose the digital product from the option. Then you have to upload your file. So to do this, click the upload area, then select your digital file, which could be a PDF, ebook, audio, video, or actually depends on the kind of product you have from your computer. Then fill it the product information, which is very important, which involves your product title, the description, then the price. So after that, you also have to upload a cover image of your product, which is very optional, but this helps you make the product look more professional. Then after that, hit the add product button to finish and publish it. Your greater product is now live and ready to be sold or downloaded. You also get a shareable link to send to customers about your product, and that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this product, and make sure you subscribe for more videos. Thanks.